I've gotten used to stickers on bananas, but now they're advertising movies on the stickers on bananas. Powering the hero within.
Dad, where are you?
I'm powering the hero within. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of vacation. We're going to go out on a little photo expedition, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about the gear. We have a new Nikon. This is the Z6, and I've been shooting with the Nikon Z6 kit lens. And what we're going to do today is we're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to use the Nikon F-mount lens adapter, and I'm going to try this with my Nikon. This is an 18-140 DX format lens. This is the kit lens from my D7200, which I hung on to. We are going to use the new Rode wireless. Here, let me power this up for you. This is the Rode Wireless Go. This is the transmitter. We have a little puff microphone filter on there. So we're just gonna go ahead and clip this on. It's very handy. We clip this on here. We take the receiver. This is going to clip onto the hot shoe like that. Slides into place. We connect it with the little coily audio cord to the camera, and now we'll be able to get this nice close mic going directly to the camera, giving you, my trusted audience, the best quality audio. Take that off. We always want to make sure that we keep our lenses covered. Nikon users, you line up your white dot, drop that in place, give it a little 1/8 of a turn. Same thing for the lens. Take off the cap, line up the white dot, and give it a little click. You get an idea of the difference in the depth between the kit lens and the adapter plus the 18-140. Of course, if we extend this, it does become a little bit of a different story. And there you go. So it's not a huge difference. The adapted lens is in fact bigger, but it's also a longer lens. Okay, let's go out and grab some images. Oh, I forgot something. We're also going to be shooting today with a Tiffin circular polarizing filter. So one of the nice things about the polarizing filter is it deepens the color of the sky, improves contrast with the clouds, and overall it can be really fun when you're shooting around shiny objects, things like water, cars, anything with a lot of contrast. I really like shooting with the polarizer. Okay, with that said, let's go out and have some fun.
Hey Dad, what's wrong with that car?
I think it's challenged. Oh, so tragic.
Here's a good example of vibration reduction, handheld. Oh, they found us. They found us.
All right, one of my favorite places Kite store. They're selling nail polish that changes color in the sun. And it looks like the color of my car. And since it's a Lincoln, it might be.
Yeah, let's look around.
Well, there's the kites.
I really like that clownfish that we saw today. How fun was that?
Yeah, that was cute.
I want a clownfish.
Yeah, we need some colorful things to hang outside our house, don't you think?
Yeah, I want a clownfish.
You know, I think we need to find a pinwheel for our house. Yeah, oh, this.
I like the dragon.
Where's the dragon?
With that purple wing.
Oh, wow, I didn't know.
Truth, it is 5 o'clock somewhere. Yeah, these are pretty awesome. The gears are locking up.
Come on, let's go inside.
I think I
Okay.
need a dragon for my garden. I do.
We like dragons.
Look how awesome that is, and it's a good dragon too.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice dragon.
The turtles are cute.
Look at this Mustang. If I bought this, could I make a balloon payment? We're looking for the dragon spinner,
I see the rainbow.
and we found this.
I like the clownfish.
This is so soft, it's like memory foam. There's something really satisfying about this.
They've been backstock for 2 months.
Oh.
Oh, that's a popular one, isn't it? No dragons for you. I'm so sorry. We'll make it up to you. Well, would you look at the time? Hey, I can't believe it is at the end of another vlog. It's actually the end of a long day, a fun day. I hope you liked the video footage in today's episode of this vacation vlog. Now, tomorrow we have some exciting things planned. We have the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Challenge. Now, I'm not going to tell you what this is, but you're not going to want to miss tomorrow's episode. For this evening, though, I have to introduce you to my little friend. This is M&M Caramel. Have you ever heard of such a thing? These things are addicting. It's like a peanut M&M, except instead of where the peanut would be, there's a ball of caramel or caramel or however you want to say it. It is delicious. I love you, M&Ms. So thanks so much for watching these vacation vlogs. Tomorrow promises to be a fun day as well. Hey, when we get back into town, there will be more car videos coming. We are putting on the K&N air intake on the Mustang GT convertible. So really, I can't wait to get my hands back into it. So for now, thank you very much for watching. You stay over there, you behave, okay? And you guys be good, be well, be safe, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. I fixed it.